All right, May tip number two. Let's use blending modes to really pump up the colors in an image. This is an exact copy of the same image on both sides. I'm going to click on the right-hand side, right-click and copy, and then I'm going to right-click again and paste over. And what that does is that pastes a copy right on top of the original there. So it's exactly over the top of the original. That's a good tip by itself. I'm going to click on the top here, and I'm going to go to my blending modes in Fill Stroke Editor here, and down to overlay, and you will see right away it's saturating those colors. Now I can actually control that by just maybe decreasing the opacity a little bit, but look at the difference between those two. It really pumped up the greens and the blues. Everything looks a little bit better saturated. That's going to give you better output. I think you're going to enjoy working with some images. If you're having a little trouble with saturation, give that a try. I think you'll love using that blending mode. That's tip number two for May. Be sure and visit Adendo.com for full training on Flexi for tips like this and many other features that we explain in full detail. I invite you to join us at Adendo.com, where you'll find industry experts that can help you with detailed training. You can join an online community and discuss Flexi with other users, as well as get expert help. Take an online course and learn at your own pace, or get the advice of an expert through virtual training or even on-site training. Find out more today at www.adendo.com.